Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we help you understand the laws that shape your everyday life. In today's episode of our law series, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us, from groceries and gadgets to services and subscriptions: consumer protection law. You can watch the full law playlist by clicking the link in the video description below. Ever received a faulty product and couldn't get a refund? Signed up for a service that didn't deliver what it promised? Or bought something based on false advertising? That's where consumer protection law steps in, to protect you from being cheated, misled, or exploited in the marketplace. What is consumer protection law? Consumer protection law is the branch of law that ensures buyers of goods and services are treated fairly and that they have legal recourse when businesses act dishonestly or negligently. It regulates false advertising and deceptive marketing, defective products and warranties, unfair contract terms, unsafe goods or services, right to refunds, repairs, or replacements, privacy and data protection in digital commerce. The aim is to ensure that consumers have clear rights and that businesses are held accountable for what they sell. Why it matters. Consumers often face an imbalance of power and information when dealing with big companies or service providers. Consumer protection law levels the playing field, promotes market fairness, and boosts consumer confidence. This leads to better businesses, higher standards, and safer choices for everyone. Modern consumer protection law began taking shape in the 20th century, especially after mass production made consumer goods more widely available and more complex. In 1962, U.S. President John F. Kennedy famously introduced the Consumer Bill of Rights, including the right to safety, the right to be informed, the right to choose, the right to be heard. This global movement led to similar legal frameworks in the UK, EU, India, and other nations, often supported by dedicated regulators like the Federal Trade Commission (FTC), the Competition and Markets Authority (UK), or the Consumer Protection Council in various countries. Famous case study, Donahue v. Stevenson. In this landmark case, a woman found a dead snail in her ginger beer bottle and fell ill. She hadn't bought the drink herself, so she couldn't sue the seller, but she sued the manufacturer. The court ruled that the manufacturer owed a duty of care to the ultimate consumer. This case became a cornerstone of consumer law and negligence law worldwide, introducing the idea that producers are responsible for the safety of what they sell. Why consumer law is more relevant than ever. In an age of e-commerce, data privacy concerns, global shipping, and digital services, consumer protection law has expanded to cover online fraud and scams, personal data misuse by tech companies, automatic subscription renewals, hidden charges, and deceptive pricing. Whether you're buying a smartphone, downloading an app, or booking a holiday, consumer rights are your legal safety net. What's next? If you're entering law, business, marketing, or even entrepreneurship, knowing consumer protection law helps you stay compliant, ethical, and trustworthy. In our next videos, we'll explore advertising law, product liability, and real cases where consumers fought back and won. You're watching The Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, giving you the knowledge to shop smart, live safe, and think legally.